So first thing you want to do for your LCD controller screen is just turn it on. Simple is just press the power button, and towards the left you see that pedal assist is off. That means you can just use the throttle by itself. You want to turn the pedal assist on. Push down the down arrow key till you see the PAS off, disappear. There, I push it down, now it's off. Now you can use it with pedal assist. On the top, you see the voltage. Right now you can see it's at 46.8.9 volts. When you're above 50 volts, that gives you pretty much a full charge. When you're low, say like 42 or 40 volts, you should really use it at pedal assist at like the first level. But when it gets that low, it's really time to just charge the battery. Otherwise, you're just going to discharge the whole battery, and that's not what you want. But this pretty much gives you a really good reading. So when it gets to about 42 volts, I would suggest to really just go and charge the battery. If I were to push the power button once, as you can see, that gives me my average speed. If I were to push it again, that gives me my maximum speed. If I want to reset all of that with the odometer and everything, then all I need to do is press the up and down arrow keys, and that'll just reset the odometer at the bottom. So when you see it flashing there, that means you're ready for reset. So I just hit the power button. Kind of want to do that quick. Okay. So push there. And that pretty much resets the odometer. So if I were to check my average speed, it's at 0. My max speed is again at 0. In order to go up or down on pedal assist, it's just the up and arrow key. So it goes all the way up to 5. That is the maximum. And then if you don't want pedal assist, you can put it at 0. And again, if you want to change that back to, say, just throttle by itself, just hold down the arrow key. And then pedal assist is off, so you're just on throttle mode. And again, that goes all the way up to 5. Okay. If you want to turn the headlights on and off, just push the up arrow key until you see that light symbol at the top. So that means headlights are on and off. And if you want to turn it off, just hold the up arrow key again. And that's it.